Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the flapper door spring in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new flapper door spring. The flapper door spring is mounted at the bottom of the flapper door hinge. It keeps the flapper door in open or closed positions. When the flapper door starts swinging back and forth without any resistance, it's time to check and replace the flapper door spring. To get it apart, we need to open the left side door. Next, we're going to open the flapper door. So we're not going to use the Phillips screwdriver. We're going to take out two Phillips screws that holds the central bracket. Next, I'm going to hold on to the flapper door and knock it up to disengage the hinges. Next, we're going to disconnect this plug. I'm going to press down on the locking tab, pull it apart. Okay, let's bring this flapper door on a workable surface on a table. Next, I'm going to close the hinge. And then I'm going to use a small flat blade screwdriver to remove this hinge cover. I'm going to put it in there and pry it off. So next, I'm going to open that hinge again and slide out the spring. This is the old flapper door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we have here a new spring, a hinge. I'm going to insert one end of the spring into the hinge hole here, and on the side I'm going to insert this into the opening, and then we're going to slide the other end of the spring right in there. Then we're gonna turn it locked, and now I can install the cover. It goes this way and push it down, and now we can install the door flapper onto the door. First, I'm going to connect this plug, and then we're going to install the hinges on. Now we're going to open that hinge, going up and open this hinge. Okay, so next I'm going to put the plug in, and also this little hook goes over the tab. So first plug goes in, out of the way, and then lift it up. Okay, I'm going to hold both hinges, push it down, so both locked. Now we're going to close this central or middle hinge and push it in. Remember that little hook at the back is going to lock over that tab. Next, we're going to install the couple of Phillips screws here. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to secure that middle hinge. Now we can close the flapper door, and now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.